Hare Krishna everyone, Mila here and welcome to another vlog of mine, and this time we will be cooking. Recently my friend Radhika gave a cooking course in ISKCON Zurich temple and she taught us one amazingly tasty recipe with kaddoo or pumpkin. So I want to share with you this recipe, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. For this recipe, of course, we will need one kaddoo, then methi seeds and cinnamon sticks, mustard seeds, little bit of sugar, curry leaves. I have these curry leaves. My friend Ambika, she was recently in Himachal Pradesh and she got it from there. She gave me some. Then asafoetida and olive oil, but of course you can also use ghee. First, let's cut the pumpkin. So I have finished cutting the pumpkin, the whole pumpkin, and it came out a little too much. So I will divide it on half. I will use half and half I will keep in the fridge for another day, for another sabji. And then we will proceed with the chons. You see, in ISKCON we call it chons, the tempering when in hot oil you put spices. But I have learned actually recently that in Hindi it is called tatka. So I'm really wondering, where did we learn the word chons? Why do we ISKCON devotees use the word chons? Does it come maybe from Bengali and we have mispronounced it? Or maybe some other source is there? I don't know. So I'm really curious, and if you know, please let me know down below in the comments how is tatka called in different places in India. Yes, I'm really very curious. So, okay, I put half of this in the fridge for another day. And now let's proceed with the tatka. Okay, we add the oil. Then the mustard seeds. I think it's enough. They have to pop. They started popping. Then these cinnamon sticks and the methi seeds. The curry pata. A little bit of asafoetida and the sugar. Let the sugar melt and crystallize a little bit. Then we add the pumpkin. I push the sugar a little bit aside, and thyme, or in Hindi I think it's called ajwain ke phool. If you don't have fresh, you can also use like this dry thyme. Okay. Now mix nicely. The fire should be high. High just in the beginning, high. And then salt. Now we put the fire a little bit down. We add little water. And we cover it and we let it cook like this. So while the sabji is cooking, I will make quickly chapati dough using this atta, chaki atta from our Sri Lankan shop here in Switzerland. Okay, the chapati dough is done. Let's see now what is happening with our sabji. Wow, my God, it's so, the smell is far out, but it's not yet done. Maybe 2-3 more minutes.
A few moments later.
Yes, now it's perfect. What we have to do is we have to remove this thyme from the sabji. This was just for aroma, of course. This not. Here one more. Oops. Good. I put aside and then I will make chapatis. Look, I have learned how to make almost perfectly round chapati, thanks to somebody who commented like, ma'am, please don't press too much and have a lot of flour so that the chapati can kind of roll, you know, by itself, not getting stuck to the surface. And okay, almost perfect round. Thank you. Radhe Radhe. I bought this melted gold from Vrindavan and I'm so happy. This ghee, which I will put on the chapatis, like this. Chapatis are ready, sabji is ready, so let's offer it to Sri Krishna.
A few moments later.
Then we have to clean the altar where Krishna was eating. And now let's transfer. But before accepting this Mahaprasad, I would like to offer a ghee lamp and sing Damodar Ashtaka. This is what we do every evening because it's the month of Damodar or Kartik Mas. And after that, let's try this sabji. So let's sing the Madharashtakam. Namamishvaram Sachit Anandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Brajamanam Yashodavio Lukaha Ladavamanam Param Rishtva Matyanto Todrutya Gopya Rudam Tamurnetram Yugmam Brijantam Karam Boja Yugmena Satankanetram Muhushvasakam Patri Rekanka Kanta Stita Grevadamodaram Bhaktivadram Iti Driksvali Labir Ananta Kunde Svagosham Nimajantam Akyapayantam Tadiyeshita Gyeshu Bhaktajitatvam Puna Prematastam Shata Vrittivande Varam Deva Moksham Namoksha Vadimva Nachanyam Vrineham Vareshadapihane Namo Radhikayai Tva Diyapriyayai Namo Nantalilaya Devaya Tubhyam Hare Krishna Hare Krishna. So it's time to try this delicious sabji. The smell is so good, and this is because of the thyme. It is very important. If you don't have fresh thyme, always put dry thyme. This combination asafoetida and thyme is so good. I used to make in the past, and still I am making a lot of pumpkin soups, especially in winter, and now it's the season. This is a must-try sabji. Wow, let me see. This is my second time I'm making this sabji. Wow, no words. The only words I can say is please do try, you will not regret. It's perfect sabji for lunch or for dinner. It's so good, and this caramelized sugar just adds to the flavor. Super. और मेरे दोस्तों दिखाने के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद. जल्दी फिर मिलेंगे. राधे राधे. हरे कृष्ण.